Hey, in front of me is Honor X7 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this smartphone. You need to begin by locating Clock app and clicking on it. Now choose Alarm at the bottom left corner of it and create your own by choosing this plus icon. After that, set tap an hour. When you're ready, you need to choose Repeat and tap on days of the week that you wish to set up. I will go with Fridays and Wednesdays. Then save them by choosing OK. Now click on Label. Label your alarm however you wish to if you wish to and tap on OK as well. Then click on Sound and tap on the best melody for you in order to set it up. Then click on the back button. You can also choose music on device instead, tap on the song from your smartphone and go back as well. If you wish to, click on vibration at the top and select the best vibration pattern for you, like for example tap tap tap. You can also disable vibrations completely by choosing none. Now go back and click on ring duration. Tap on the best option for you and tap on snooze duration. Over here you can pick how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat by swiping left or right on those two sliders. Then click on OK and tap on the check mark at the top right corner to save your alarm. As you can see, mine is over here. If you wish to switch it off, just click on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. If you wish to edit your alarm, click on it, make your changes and click on the check mark. If you wish to delete it, click on it as well, but this time tap on delete at the bottom and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!